If saving feels like it's ruining your life, stop. This video will change your spending. Most are stuck saving miserably, or enjoying now, panicking later. Spend less, enjoy life more. Rich people spend freely on loves, cut mercilessly on what they don't. Never feel guilty spending again. Spend extravagantly on what you love. Cut what you don't, mercilessly. Most waste money unconsciously. What truly improves your life? Travel, food, fitness, skills. That's where money should flow. Daily random online shopping wastes. Unused subscriptions drain wallets. Eating out without joy is pointless. Refuse a gym you'd actually like? Or a trip you'll remember always? Tools saving time and reducing stress? Wise spending is intentional. Track spending for 7 days. No guilt, just observation. Cut the May expenses ruthlessly. Anything you don't genuinely enjoy? Reduce or delete it completely. Upgrade joy with saved money. Invest in experiences and skills. Invest in your health too. Feel richer without earning more. Money is a tool, not a trophy. Don't win by hoarding it uselessly. Buy time, peace, and memories. Live with the least regret. Like to help others escape stress? Subscribe for smarter money ideas.